Good day, students and parents. This tutorial is about addition of whole number involving 2 digits and 3 digits. Different scenarios will be shown during the session. Let's start by reviewing the place value of 3-digit numbers. The first number here on the right is our number in the ones place. The next number is the tens place, and the third number is in the hundreds place. Here is an example of a 2-digit number added to 1-digit number. The O column here represents the ones column, and the T here represents the tens column. Now let's add 25 plus 4. We will add the ones first, which is 5 and 4. The answer is 9. Then we will go to the tens column. Since we only have 2 here, we don't have another digit here beside 4, then we will just bring down the 2. The answer is 29. Let's have another example. But before we do that, please share this tutorial so that other kids will also learn. When you subscribe, you will also be notified every time we have new uploads. Let's solve these numbers. Start adding the ones column. 6 plus 2, 8. Then go to the tens column. We only have 4. So let's bring down 4. The answer is 48. Our next example is addition of 2-digit number with another 2-digit number. Let's add the ones first. We have 5 plus 2, 7. Then let's go to the tens column. Let's add 4 and 2. So 4 plus 2 is 6. The answer is 67. Our sum is 67. Let's take another example. Let's add 93 plus 12. Let's add the ones column first. 3 plus 2 equals 5. Then, let's go to the tens column. 9 plus 1 is 10. Our sum is 105. Let's start with the addition of 3-digit number with 2-digit number. So we have here the 3-digit number and the 2-digit number. Let's review first the first column. O stands for ones, T stands for tens, and H for hundreds. Now let's add. The ones column is 3 plus 2. The answer is 5. Next, let's go to the tens column. We have 7 plus 1. That is 8. Now, let's go to the hundreds column. We have only 5. So, let's bring that down here, the number 5. So, our answer or our sum is 585. Let's take another example. Let's add 964 plus 12. Now, we will start with the ones column. 4 plus 2 is 6. Next, let's go to the tens column. 6 plus 1 is 7. Next, the hundreds column, we have 9. So let's bring down the 9. Our sum is 976. Now it's time to add 3-digit number with another 3-digit number. Let's start with the ones. So we have 5 plus 2, that is 7. Now let's go to the tens column. We have 5 plus 2 is also 7. Then let's go to the hundreds place. We have 7 plus 1, that is 8. Our sum is 877. Let's take another example. We have here 935 plus 234. Let's start on the ones place. Let's add 5 and 4. That is 9. Then let's add the tens place. Here, 3 plus 3 is 6. Then let's add the hundreds place. 9 plus 2, that's 11. Then let's count from right to left. 1, 2, 3. That's where we put our comma. Now, our answer is 1169. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and share with your classmates.